So you find your VHS tape and you want to immerse yourself in the last century. But when you try to play, you get nothing. Let's see what's happening without the case. The manic start moving, and looks like it's turned off, but it's still some movement. This is a Toshiba VCR, and this is a quick repair video, how to fix this. Let's see from another angle. Yeah, the tape is there. But it's not playing. Alright, so how it should play? You can see this control rod on the bottom, which moving left and right with the gear system. And in the corner you can see a little wheel which is spinning around. That one translates to the main board. What is it doing? And everything is alright. Without this one, it's completely confused what is happening around the world. This is like, how to feel. So, you can see that white and on the bottom is a black wheel, this pressed together. Now we have a little metal plate there, and that one gets oxidized. But with one drop of dioxide, you can fix this one. You just have to get this one drop between the white and the black wheel. Now obviously we have some gears here and this rod which sometimes need a little love. When the grease is really old, we put a little fresh grease there, and if it's really dirty, then we clean it up. In this case it was nice and clean, just the grease was a little bit old. Also you can check all the other moving parts, and whenever need, just drop a little grease. It doesn't like oil, okay? Don't mix up. That one made things worse, in my experience. Anyhow, let's see if we have any difference. You have to play a few times, everything gets motion, and don't forget that little sponge. You have to remove that one. It's used to be cleaning the head, but now, after 20 years, it's just a sticky mass, and it's just making bigger problem what you have already. And now you can immerse yourself in the 90s or 80s. All the childhood memories. Oh yeah, if you need a longer video, check out other channels videos which is taking these things apart and do a proper maintenance. But this one, it was just really a quick repair, 5 minutes job. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. See you next time.